Today, I'm going to teach you how to turn your camera off and on in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're joining a scheduled meeting or already in one, controlling your camera visibility is essential for managing your privacy and professional presence during virtual meetings. First, let's navigate to your scheduled meetings. On the left side navigation panel of Microsoft Teams, click on Meet. This will open up your Meetings hub, where you can see all your upcoming and past meetings. Under the Scheduled Meetings section, you'll see a list of all your planned meetings. Go ahead and select any meeting from this list that you'd like to join, then click the Join button next to it. After clicking Join, Microsoft Teams will direct you to another window. This is your pre-meeting preparation screen, and it's a really useful feature because it gives you a chance to set up your camera and audio before entering the meeting room. Here you'll see a camera icon with a toggle button right on the interface. This toggle is your primary control for the camera. Simply click it once to open your camera and turn on your video feed. You'll immediately see yourself on screen, allowing you to check your background and appearance. If you want to turn your camera off before joining, just click the same icon again and your video will be disabled. Once you're satisfied with your camera settings, go ahead and click Join Now. This will take you into the actual meeting room where other participants are already present or waiting. Now, here's what you need to know about controlling your camera once you're inside an active meeting. If you're already in a meeting and you want to turn your camera on or off, look at the top of your screen where you'll see the meeting controls. There's a camera icon with the word camera displayed as text right next to it. This is your in-meeting camera control. Simply click this icon to turn your camera on or off at any time during the meeting. It works as a toggle, so clicking it once will switch the state of your camera, and you can do this as many times as you need throughout the meeting. And that's it. You now know how to control your camera both before joining and during Microsoft Teams meetings, giving you complete control over your video presence. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.